Hanging out with my buddy John Blackwood, and we are in a two-story abandoned house, which is kind of a cliche, but hey, it's what people in the country do. Look for old houses and kind of check them out, and look for textures and warmth and hazards and things to fall through. I've never been here, but I bet every Lethbridge photographer doing a wedding shoot or a grad photo has put them in these hazardous conditions. It's awesome. Do you know the story of this place? No. At a coyote's lunch, it looks like. The circle of life. I do not want to go on the second floor because it's looking a little shaky. Let's check it out. Well, that's what's up on the second floor. So I'm going to take that drone up and get some B-roll of this place, maybe circle the house. That would be pretty cool. So Mr. Blackwood's rocking a Dodge Nitro, but this isn't just any Dodge Nitro. It is a portable cinematography factory. John's modified this sucker to have a tent up top. It's comfy.
Oh, very.
Yes, yeah. But the coolest thing, I think, is when you're out doing this kind of stuff, power is always a necessity. How long for this thing to recharge?
It usually takes a couple hours to charge it back up. But I never drained the battery full.
This is all separate system, right? Your alternator's not recycling, nope. Charging any of this. It's all off grid.
All off grid. And a 600 watt inverter.
And a power bar.
And power bar.
There's legs that come out and can act as a table stand down here. So you've got a working space plus storage.
That's right.
So that increases things quite a bit. So you've got a full worktop, you've got your gear, you've got it sorted, you've got your tents should you need to stay the night, you've got power so you could do editing pretty much anywhere. And then what do you got for connectivity? I guess just cell phone, right? Cell phone. Yeah. And then pray to God you've got LTE wherever you are. Not that you're going to be like, you know, shooting news clips in the field or anything. Ah, look at that. Mood lighting. I love it. We'll make sure we focus on your logo and blur the other ones out. Just kidding. Check my slider.